Disinfect your device after taking it out in public. Unless there's someone sick in your home, your device isn't likely to pick up too many dangerous germs and viruses from regular home use. However, your risk increases when you use it in public after touching other surfaces. If you've recently been out and about, disinfect your phone when you get back home. Avoid using your phone while you're in the restroom, especially in public places. Keep your phone inside your bag or pocket when you go into a public restroom to prevent contamination. Unplug your computer or keyboard before cleaning it. Before you clean your computer or keyboard, disconnect the power cord and all other cables. If possible, take out the batteries. Power down your device completely. Keeping your computer and keyboard unplugged and powered down will reduce your risk of electric shock. Wash your hands before and after using your keyboard. One of the best ways to keep your keyboard germ-free is to avoid getting germs on it in the first place. Wash your hands with soap and warm water before you sit down to use your computer. If other people have been using your keyboard or you've had it out in public, wash your hands after you're done too. You're most likely to pick up germs from a keyboard that's been used by a lot of people or that you've handled after being in a public place without washing your hands.